Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Ma Kalyanika Public School, Pendar Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 5th maths, chapter number 3. Yes students, chapter number 3 because already chapter number 1 and number 2 videos are completed. So chapter number 3 we will starting with exercise 3.1. So students, in exercise 3.1, some questions are there and the name of the chapter is, what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter number 3 is multiples and factors. Yes students, multiples and factors. So I will explain you one by one according to the exercise so that it will be clear to you that how do you have to solve that particular exercise. So in exercise 3.1, the terms used here is multiples. So what is the meaning of multiples? Students, so first of all you should know the meaning of multiple, then you will be able to solve the rest of the questions. So what is the meaning of multiple? Multiple means after getting, if you are having a number, for example 5, okay, if you are having a number 5 and then what is the first 5 multiple of 5 I am asking you. So after getting this number 5 is your question for example. So what are the multiples of 5? So there are many multiples of 5 students, means when you are multiplying 5 by 1 means 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. I am showing you here. Okay, like multiples of 5 you have to find. Means students, simply in simple terms I should say multiples means the table. Multiplying with 1, multiplying with 2, 3, 4, 5, like that all the numbers if you are multiplying and then the result which you are getting are the multiples. Means I am telling the multiple of 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Like this, so many. It is not compulsory that this only serially you will write. If the question is asked first 5 multiples, then from the starting first 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiplying with these all number you will get the answer. Like here 5 5s last. Okay. Here 5 5s are 25. But students, if it is asked write the multiples of, only the multiples of, write the 2 multiples of, 3 multiples of, any multiple you can write by multiplying with any number. It is not compulsory in that question that write the multiples of and you are writing 5 and then you are writing 10 then 15. It is also correct, and only multiples is asked. If you are writing 5, 20 and 25, then also it is correct. Why? Because if it is asked write the first 5 or first 3 or first 2 multiples, then serially you have to multiply by 1, then 2, then 3. And if it is not asked that first 5, first 2 or first 3 multiple, then no need to multiply it by this 1, 2 or 3. You can multiply the given number by any number and the answer received will be correct. Okay. So starting from question number 1, you will understand. So question is, see here students, find the first 5 multiple of the following. First 5 means multiplying the given number with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and then you will get the 5 multiples. So simply question number 1 is students 9. So 9 you have to multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and serially you have to write the answer. So I am writing the answer directly here. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36 and 9 fives are 45. Yes students, are you getting me? Yes. See here, table of 9 you will write if it is asked first 5 multiple of or first 3 multiple of. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. Why 9 fives are 45 up to this? Because 5 multiples, first 5 multiples. So these are the first 5 multiples of 9. So getting this, you are able to solve I think rest of the question, but 2 more I will tell you, like 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 3s are 33, 4s are 44 and 5s are 55. Yes students, I hope you are knowing very well the table of 11. Yes. So students, moving to 25. So now 25, 1s are 25, 2s are 50, 3s are 75, 4s are 100 and 5s are 125. So students, in this way you will be very easily getting the first 5 multiples of the numbers. 2 more questions are given that you can solve by watching your book. Okay, I hope you have understood the meaning of multiple and you can find out the multiple. Okay, now question number B, students. Put a tick if the number is divisible by and put a cross if it is not divisible. If it is divisible means which can be divided by, means you are knowing the division, but if you are getting the remainder 0 means it is divisible, and if you are not getting 0 as a remainder means it is not divisible. So simply students, you have to put tick in that number which is divisible and you have to put a cross which is not divisible. So students, 2 means the charts are given, means 2 boxes are given here which you have to solve. So the question, you have to be careful in reading the question. Number is given, all the numbers are given, 2 more is given that you can solve by yourself. Last digit means you have to see the last digit of this, then divisible by. You have to check if the number is divisible by. The numbers present here will be divisible by 2, 5 or 10. According to that you will put tick or cross. So students, last digit of this is 2. Last digit of 36 is 6. And what is the last digit of 45? Last digit means the last number. 4 and 5 is there. So 5 is the last digit. So students, 2, 6 and 5 are the last digit given here. So now you have to see one by one. You have to check these numbers are divisible by 2, 5 or 10 or not. So 2 can be divided by 2. Yes. 2 ones are 2. Yes, you have got the answer. It means remainder 0. So students, yes, it is divisible by 2. Now 2 can be divided by 5. In table of 5 is 2 coming there? No, in table of 5 2 is not coming because 2 is smaller than 5. So you have to put a cross. Then in table of 10, of course 10 is also greater than 2. It will not come. Table of 10 means 10 can divide 2? No, it is not possible. It is smaller than it. You are knowing the divisibility rule that if the number is smaller, then it cannot be divided. You have to take the bigger number or equal number. Okay. Like here, 2 ones are 2. 2 same is there. It can be, but 5 and 10 are greater than 2. So it cannot be. So now 6. 6 is the last number we have got from here. So now in the table of 2, can 6 means 2 can divide 6 or not. So simply students, table of 2 you have to read 2 3s are 6. Means 2 3s are 6, directly 6 we are getting, we are not getting any remainder. So if remainder is there, then it is wrong. But 2 3s are 6, simply we are getting 0 as remainder. So it will be yes, take. Okay. Now table of 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are is 10. 6 not coming, of course. So directly put a cross. Table of 10. 10 ones are 10. Of course, this is 6 less than 10. Cross. Now table of 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are is 6. 3s are 6 means more than 5 and 2 twos are 4 less than 5. So it is not equal to 5. So you have to put a cross. Table of 5. 5 ones are 5. Getting remainder 0? Yes. Table of 10. 10 is greater than 5. So of course no. So students, in this way you can solve the question number B, first chart. Then the second chart, 2 more questions are given in first column. So you have to solve by yourself depending upon this question. Okay. Now question number B, second chart is given. Numbers are given in the same way as first. But here the sum of digits. Here last digit only you have taken, but here sum of digits. So what is the sum of these two digits? So 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. And 3 plus 6, 9. So we have received 3, 4 and 9 as the number here, students. Now, table of 3, you have to see the table of 3 and table of 9. So 3 ones are 3, divided, we have to put a tick. 9 is greater than 3, so of course no. Now table of 3, 4, of course 4 is not coming, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 6 is greater, 3 is smaller, not 4. Then table of 9 is greater than 4, of course no. Now 9, 3 threes are 9, we are getting yes. And then 9 is there, so 9 ones are 9. So of course students, 9 can divide 9. So students, 2 more, 4 and 5 is also given here. So you have to solve according to this question. You have to add the digits here and you have to write the answer here, and according to 3 and 9, table of 3 and 9, you can solve the rest. So students, in this way, by watching this video, you can solve exercise 3.1 and it will be convenient for you to solve. Thank you for watching.